You're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to Taron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. Alright, if today is the first time you've seen this channel, please do well by subscribing. It's very easy. All you need to do is click on that subscribe button. Alright, and there's a bell beside it. It's a notification bell. Once you click on the notification bell, anytime I will upload a new video, you will see it. Alright, so to all my subscribers, I say thank you. To those watching my videos and commenting, thank you so much. Alright, so in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to decorate your turban cap. Alright, so this is a V-shaped turban cap. If you would like to learn how to make a V-shaped turban cap, let me know, okay, in the comment box. Alright, so I'll be showing you how to decorate it, how to put ribbons, okay, so now I'll be using the same lycra material, okay. Now this is 5 by 36 inches. So now what I'll be using my needle. I'll be using my needle. Alright, so now this is it, right? You need your big needle, hand needle, and then the color of thread of material you're using. So I'll put it here like this, and then like this, like this, like this, like this. I'm trying to close it. So make sure you close it well. So the next thing I will be doing now is to uh, decorate it with pearls. Okay, so what I have from here. All right, so now this is my cap, isn't it? So I will be fixing ribbon the ribbon on the left hand side. Let me see. So I will use my needle to stitch it to the cap. Okay, so I will keep jumping I'll jump, I'll bring it to, I'll move to another. Okay, so you tack it. Make sure you, before you cut the thread, it's very very strong. All right, so the next thing is I'll be decorating this using my peels. So I have different peels and you'll be needing your candle wax. Okay, so if you can get a glue gun, nice. If you don't have it, you can use your candle wax or you can use other gums. So now I'll be using this, we call it yori yori. I'll be using it to cover this rough edge. Okay, so you can cut. All right, so now instead of using my yori yori, I'll be using this. I'll be using this instead. Okay, so you can get it where they are selling, where they sell sewing materials, or yes, sewing materials. So I'll be using this. Um, so I'll be placing my candle wax. You can place it here or directly on the ribbon you're using, on the rose you're using. So this is what I have. So I have this. So now the next thing is I'll be using multicolor peels. This is what we call peels. Can you see? So I'll be using multicolor peels, different colors of peels. So I have peach. So now what? Just watch me. Okay. Apply your gum and fix it. Okay. Let's go. All right. So now, like I said, I'll be using different colors of peels. So if you're using gum, that's UHU gum or Hulu gum, it's the same thing, but it's cheaper to use this one. Just have be using white. So just neatly arrange and then you will like the outcome by the time you're through. So this is what we have. All right, so see you in, thank you so much for watching the video. You will see advert. Please click allow the advert to run. All right, so and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well by subscribing to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye for now. All right, so let me wear it so that you see what we have. So you can adjust it to the way you want it to be. Can you see what we have? All right, so this is my V-shaped turban cap. All right, so thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.